Oh, I love it when my boots smile at me. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. It's time for Boot of the Week. Hi, I'm Abby with Nick's Boots, and this week's Boot of the Week is the women's mock toe. Nothing says fall like a mock toe boot. I find it really annoying when certain boot companies think that women need a more dainty boot, but that is definitely not the case with this boot. So just like all of our boots, it has the thick, full grain leather, a lug sole, and it's ready for fall. Even though the mock toe is traditionally worn by ironworkers, it's also a great heritage look for women. The thing I love about Nick's is that they understand that the workforce is not just men. And they also know that women want high quality footwear. And just like the men's boots, we have all the sizing covered for women. And we love hearing from our women. If you have any recommendations from boot styles or models, please let us know in the comments below. And if you like to look down and see your boots smiling at you, check out the women's mock toe. We'll see you on the next one. Did I do good?